Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to create Instagram mockup. So guys, this is very simple process. Don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Canva app and you have to search Instagram mockup and you can see more templates and more designs. Instagram post templates you can see in Canva app. You can see Instagram post templates, Instagram grid templates, Instagram post templates, more designs and more templates here in Canva app, Instagram templates. So I have choose modern template and you can see you can change the picture, add on your picture in this template, and you can change this circles color, you can change frame colors, you can create easily customized template. You can see I am change the color of frame green. You can see this is very easy process, everyone can do it very easily, and you can add on your pictures in this frame, in this template, and you can very easily to make eye-catchy Instagram mockup. So guys, I hope you like the video, and please guys subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below. So take care, bye.